here is the Chillbo Lazybone Lounger. This is the extra large in nautical blue, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with me laying on it. Right now we have it out by the pool, but this would be absolutely perfect for festivals, the beach, anywhere camping, anywhere that you need like a lounger.
We had been eyeing one of these for our pool, and thank you to the brand for sending us this to try out and show you how it works.
The part about this is that you don't have to have a pump to inflate it. So you can carry it anywhere with you. It comes with a nice backpack, and all you have to do is use a little bit of arm strength to inflate it. So I'll show you right back here. This is where we have it folded over. So when you go to inflate it or deflate it, what you're gonna do is push this button, and then you're gonna unhook it.
When you unroll it, it will start to deflate pretty quickly. And then when you get ready to inflate it again, it does come with a flapper, which I forgot for this video, but you'll open up the mouth of it, use the flapper, and you're kind of gonna, it reminds me of when you were in elementary school and we're doing the parachute, that kind of movement, and it will inflate. It says to about 80%, but I think mine was a little bit less. And then you'll just roll it back up and clip it, and then it's good to go. So this is just me laying on it. It's very comfortable. It reminds me kind of a hammock or like a water bed. And this is me sitting on it. So I think sitting on it definitely would be 2 adults. When I'm laying down, I'm a little bit bigger, so it does hold me and a kid. But I definitely can't wait to take this to the beach and all of our summer activities.